Are you struggling to get visibility into your engineering delivery? Do your teams work in silos with no shared understanding of progress or performance? Do metrics feel like an afterthought, or worse, a burden? You're not alone. That's exactly where Uplight was before they started using Umano. In this video, you'll see how Uplight transformed from siloed and unclear to aligned and insight-driven with Umano. Before Umano, Uplight's teams were facing major challenges. Without a unified set of metrics, it was nearly impossible to benchmark performance or track progress consistently. Teams operated in silos, limiting collaboration and visibility across the organization. Leadership struggled to understand what was really happening inside engineering workflows, which made it hard to maintain delivery promises. As one team member described it, "We were making commitments, but we weren't delivering on them. Engineering had become a black box." With real-time visibility and standardized agile metrics, teams finally had the insights they needed to act with clarity and confidence. More than 350 engineers were now aligned on a shared reporting structure, from the team level to leadership. This didn't just improve visibility, it sparked a cultural shift toward accountability and data-informed decision-making. The results were clear. After implementing Umano, Uplight saw dramatic improvements in 3 key areas. Completion rate jumped from 20% to 88%, meaning teams were finally delivering on what they committed to at scale. Stability increased from 40% to 80%, so teams could rely on their process and deliver with consistency sprint after sprint. Velocity rose from 50% to 90%, giving teams the momentum to move faster without sacrificing quality. These weren't just better numbers. They reflected better execution, stronger trust, and more predictable outcomes across the entire engineering organization. While some teams were initially skeptical of metrics, Umano helped change that perception. Rather than using data for judgment, Umano positioned metrics as tools for growth. Over time, 75% of teams began using them for continuous improvement. Standardized workflows brought structure without sacrificing autonomy, and leadership finally had visibility into what was working and where to focus. The result was a healthier engineering culture grounded in ownership and clarity. With automated reporting and a unified structure, Uplight unlocked a new level of observability. Teams no longer needed to manually compile insights. The data was always available and always accurate. This made it easier to spot trends, identify risks early, and keep projects on track. Consistent reporting practices also enabled better coordination across teams and more reliable, repeatable outcomes. In short, visibility led to alignment, and alignment led to delivery. So, what are the key lessons for other engineering teams or the key takeaways from Uplight's journey that other teams can apply? First, start small. Do not overwhelm teams with too many metrics. Second, balance matters. Standardization helps, but team autonomy should remain. Third, use metrics to tell stories, not just to show numbers. And finally, build data literacy into your culture. When teams understand what the data means, they're more likely to act on it. Umano helped Uplight go from siloed, reactive teams to a high-performing engineering organization built on trust, visibility, and data. With over 350 engineers working from a shared reporting framework, delivery became more predictable and collaboration more intentional. Leadership gained confidence in the numbers, and teams gained confidence in each other. If you're ready to bring this level of transformation to your own teams, Umano can help you get there. Are you ready to unlock your team's full potential? Umano helps you start small, stay focused, and build momentum with the metrics that actually matter. Give your teams the clarity, confidence, and visibility they need to thrive. Visit umano.tech and take the first step today.